Why Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities are the real growth story. Welcome to GM Podcast by GMs for GMs. I am Tajinder Grover and today we are talking about where the real growth in hospitality is happening. Not in overcrowded metros, but in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. These cities are no longer next, they are now. Tier 1 cities face challenges like high land and operating costs, intense competition, discount wars, talent burnout. Margins are shrinking even when occupancy is high. Growth in metros is incremental, not transformational. Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities are seeing rising disposable income, better air, rail, and road connectivity, corporate decentralization, government infrastructure push, growth in weddings, events, and domestic tourism. People are traveling more, just not always to metros. In smaller cities, guests stay longer, staff loyalty is very high, brand visibility is stronger, hotels become social landmarks. A good GM becomes a local institution, not just a hotel head. Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities offer lower operating costs, stable manpower, less brand culture clutter, better owner GM alignment. For skilled GMs, these cities offer more autonomy and impact. Forward-looking GMs are choosing emerging cities early, building strong local networks, customizing offering to local culture, focusing on F&B, banquets, and community engagement. Growth is not about local alone, it's about timing and leadership. Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities are not compromises, they are opportunities. The next decade of hospitality growth will be built not only in metros but in the heart of emerging cities. This is the GM podcast where hospitality leadership meets real growth stories. Like, share, and subscribe, friends. Goodbye.